Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Serenelife Portable Air Conditioner not cooling. If you want to fix the issue, then these are the possible causes and solution regarding this. If your AC does not work, for that, reset circuit breaker on AC code and restart the AC after power off and draining. Then it will become normal. The AC can be restarted 3 minutes after being turned off. And the AC start frequently. For that, draw the curtain, close doors and windows, remove heat source, and clean or replace it. The filter screen, clean or replace it. Air inlet or air outlet is blocked. For that, remove the stand. Big noise of the AC. The AC is placed unevenly. Place it at even and firm ground. Avoid shaking. The compressor does not work. A delay protection is started. Wait for 3 minutes. Turn on after temperature decrease. These are the solution and these are the causes. And this is the problem, as you can see. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.